Day 12. Reprogram your subconscious and beat procrastination. Welcome to day 12 of Unlock Magnet Within. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and misunderstood forces shaping your life, your subconscious mind, and how it secretly creates procrastination, fear, and self-sabotage. Let's begin with a simple truth. You don't get what you want, you get what you are programmed to believe you deserve. Think about it. Have you ever planned something big, a new goal, a business idea, a healthy routine, and then found yourself delaying, overthinking, or just not feeling ready? That's procrastination. But procrastination is not laziness, it's protection. Your subconscious mind is not your enemy, it's your safety system. It wants to protect you from anything it thinks is risky or unfamiliar. And where does it get that idea of what's risky? From your old beliefs, your childhood condition, your past experience, and the stories you have heard about failure or rejection and success. So, if deep down you believe I'm not good enough or I might fail, your subconscious will automatically slow you down. It will restrict you, make you tired, make you scroll social media, or convince you that tomorrow is a better day. Sound familiar? That's the subconscious keeping you safe inside your comfort zone. Now let's understand how your mind works. Your conscious mind decides what you want, your subconscious mind decide what you get. The conscious mind says, I want to build a successful business. The subconscious mind whispers, but if you fail, the conscious mind says, I'll start today. The subconscious mind replies, you are not ready yet. And who wins? Always the subconscious, because it's 95% of your mind power. So, how do we change this? We reprogram subconscious. Let's take a story here. There was a young entrepreneur named Arjun. He wanted to launch his online courses. Every day he would open his laptop, but instead of working, he would start cleaning his desk, making tea, or checking his phone. He kept telling himself, I'll do it perfectly tomorrow. After a coaching session, he realized something. When he was younger, every time he made a small mistake, his teachers scolded him. He learned that mistake means pain. So his subconscious associated taking action with risk and pain. When he started reprogramming his beliefs using affirmations like progress, not perfection, and visualizing himself completing his work joyfully, something shifted. He stopped waiting for the perfection and perfect day. He just started, and that start changed everything. That's the power of subconscious awareness. Now, let's break procrastination using subconscious tool. Number one is awareness. Catch the thought when you notice yourself delaying, say out loud, this is my old program trying to protect me. Awareness breaks the pattern. Second, affirmation. Replace fear with new identity. Say, I take action easily and effortlessly. I'm safe to move forward. Progress builds confidence. Third step, visualization. Every morning, close your eyes for 2 3 minutes. Imagine yourself doing the task with energy, excitement, and ease. Feel the relief and pride after completing it. Number four, small step. Your subconscious loves safety. Start small. Don't try to climb mountain in one day. Take one step and celebrate it. Number five, gratitude. Gratitude and self compassion. Stop judging yourself for procrastinating. Every time you forgive yourself, you weaken the old program and strengthen your new one. Now, let's connect this to last a few days learning. In day 8, we build the roadmap. In day 9, we explored emotional mastery. In day 10 and 11, you learn the power of clarity and consistent rituals. All these are steps forward, mastering your subconscious. If you have been doing your daily task, affirmations, gratitude journal, visualization, and forgiveness ritual, you are already reprogramming your mind. Today's task is simple but powerful. Take one area of your life where you have been procrastinating. Maybe launching a new product, calling client, posting your content, or starting that fitness plan. Write down that fear or belief is behind that delay. Then write a new belief that supports your action. For example, old belief, if I fail, people will judge me. New belief, every action I take makes me stronger and more successful. Repeat your new belief for the next 7 days, and here is your affirmation for today. My subconscious mind supports my success. I take inspired action with ease and confidence. Remember, procrastination is not the problem. It's a message from your subconscious that needs love, not pressure. Reprogram that message, replace fear with faith, and watch how fast your momentum grows. Before we end, make sure you watch all previous days videos for deep transformation. Subscribe, like, and comment on this video if it helped you. Join our like-minded community for daily accountability and support. And remember, after 14 days, we all have a live question answer where we will clear your doubts and celebrate your breakthrough together. You are doing amazing. Keep going, keep reprogramming, and keep unlocking the magnet within you. See you tomorrow for day 13, where we will explore the art of emotional frequency and manifesting through vibration. Thank you.